Ross.
And I'm Jeffrey Ide, here to bring you the news.
Open up. Stay tuned. Girl 11 solves 30 Rubik's Cubes one-handed while hula hooping.
I got this. Next. Wow.
August
Dude,
26th.
it takes me like 7 minutes, like reading instructions.
Dude, I can't even solve one
Oh
reading
man,
instructions.
dude.
August 26th, in Ontario, 11-year-old broke a Guinness
Wow.
Book of World Records when she solved 30 Rubik's Cubes one-handed while hula hooping.
Yeah, I got this. Woo! Hey? Hey?
Canada, eh?
Canada, eh? That's what's the boot.
I'm not gonna say her name. She's 11 of Mississauga.
Impressive. though.
Mississauga. Didn't we already say this one before?
Maybe.
Mississauga.
Saga, Canada?
Mississauga. Yeah.
Canada!
Solved 30 of the puzzles with one hand while keeping a hula hoop moving around her body, beating the previous record of 25. The record took her less than an hour to break.
Who thought of this? It's like, did you solve a Rubik's Cube with one hand? Wow.
It's Guinness Book of World Records,
Hula
like-
hooping?
How long can you jump on one foot?
Up on one foot. Down
Hop on one foot. Skip on one toe.
Hop on one hand and hang from one foot, stand on one
So
finger.
the record was ideal for her because she has limited mobility in one hand. Oh, wow.
Oh,
So, that's it.
wow. Well,
So-
that's quite
So
impressive.
she had something to look forward to, I guess.
Yeah.
So,
Well, hey,
ever solved the Rubik's Cube alone?
with one hand,
just
while hula
solved the
hooping,
Rubik's Cube.
or that,
Give us a like!
and subscribe.
Subscribe!
We'll see you on the next Weird
World
News.
Ah!